So hi hello everyone, welcome back to Eric Talk Professional. Today we're going to be learn something new concept of the haircut. A little bit of long hair and layers will be there, round layers and combination of multi-layer technique also will be just going to be included in this hair. So like central profile up to the horseshoe section I just separated, and center the horseshoe section in this box section is separating with the center profile both the sides. Why? Because end of the day just that portion is additional layer purpose and just overlapping. So center box I'm just separating with both the sides. Why? Because I want to add with additional more layers in the crown portion, which can be something visible slightly disconnected from the bottoms, and the top it will be visible more bouncy. And also you see where in the beginning itself to the multi-layers that will be bouncy flowing out, and also thumbnail it's clearly mentioned for multi-layers and long hair techniques, and also it will be bouncy layer for it. So in this haircut something it will be with small things are going to be changed, and watch till the end. You can just understand and just to learn about something new techniques after the haircut skills. And I hope you all are enjoying with each and every videos. Let's get started. We can just explaining help up to the comb section also. Now we'll start to the back portions to the one line basic haircut from the back. So in the multi-layer, in the sense we just elevating with a slightly roundly, we can just taking to the elevating all the sides with each and every sections. We just picking out and randomly we can just elevating overall the layering technique. So let's finish to the bottom one length haircut. Now exactly pick from the center profile. Now just exactly lift out towards to the 120 and just add to the layers slightly, and just again bring down to the 90 degree, and just little more additional access layer I'm just going to be add, and that will be going to be without collapsing to the bottom length. Intentionally it will be given to the add more layers. So vertically thin section is just picking up, and each and every section thin section following the same technique and stationary guideline, and just rest of the hair going to be cut. Now I cross checking. Now I come to another side and pick from the stationary guideline, and rest of the hair adding 2 layers. But same stationary guideline I'm following is not. When we followed the stationary guidelines, and guidelines will be consistently makes to even intention and even layers. Lot more things are there, and elevating during up to the layering techniques and gripping and holding. Each and every point will be very much important when we are doing the haircut. Even any of layers you may can just take. So another side also is going to be finished. After that I'm just cross checking. Now I'm going to cross checking again. It's even. Now I go to the side portion. Now exactly pick from the stationary guideline from back and rest of the hair, adding the layers. That you can just see clearly on that. So if you have any of doubts, please let me know comments below. And now we come back to another side, same things we can just following back before just cut to the layers, just giving to the one line basic. Pick from exactly from the back portion of stationary guideline and rest of the hair converting to the layers. Now I release from the crown portion. Here is the interesting part where we can just completely overlapping with side center portions to I'm just picking from exactly the crown portion up to the stationary guideline, and rest of the hair exactly 90 degree I'm just going to be cut forward of this section. Why? Because I want to add more layers and a hairline I want to save, and rest of the hair going to be converting to the layers because my client was expecting the crown portion wants to be more layered, which can be visible bouncy and volume look. Now come to another side. The same technique I'm following overall. Now I release back. Now I come to the fringe portions. In this one I'm just picking from exactly below chin level up to the guideline, and rest of the hair I'm just converting to the as fringes, long curtain bangs and just long fringes. I'm just showing to the before blow dry the messy layers, and top of that I'm just giving to the blow dry again. The before itself I'm just showing to my clients the messy layers, how it will be visible overall, even natural look, even tension. I'm just going to give a blow dry. All the hair I picked exactly center tail I'm just creating and just flipping out layer purpose and just came to the center blow dry. Now I'm release the hair that it will completely messy look. Before doing the blow dry I'm just showing my client to be messy layers. Then I'm just doing the blow dry. Now I released, I come to another side. Now I come to another side portion. Just slightly I'm just picking with this little bit of big sections. Why? Because I want to intentionally to add something more volume on the roots, and just each and every blow and just lifting up to the over directing and just adding more volume on the roots. You can just see. I come to the side. The same technique I'm following up. Now I pick for the center crown section. On this last two section I'm just adding more volume and just giving extra heat, which can be represent with blushy and clean look. So that's why I'm just giving to the center profile with more volume and just heat nicely and just adding on the volume blow dry. So almost is done. Now this is my final look, and you can just see the overall the layers and how it will be visible. It will flexible and neat and clean look, and that's called it's secret up to the layer cut technique. You can just see this haircut something different and added more layers. You can just top to bottom it will be clean and neat layers. You can just see very clearly. So in this, if you have any doubts, please let me know comments below. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So I'm just representing to the in front forward up to the mirror to my clients, and she was very much happy with this look. Now I'm just after that I'm just going to be add texture for a more flexibility purpose. So overall the cut is got finished, and it will be adding to the more texturing overall the haircut. So this is my final O-ring look, and just I'm winding up to the complete up to the haircut finishing. You can just see fringes also is going to be finished the haircut. So this is my final look. If you have any doubts, please let me know comments below. If you really like the video, please hit the like button. Minimum 500 likes I'm just expecting on this video. We'll be meet up to the next video. Until, take care and be safe.